Good evening, everyone. For our review of related literature, one of the most reliable resources that we can use is ERIC, which is this website right here, eric.ed.gov. ERIC basically stands for Education Resources Information Center. It is based primarily in the US. Actually, it's sponsored by the US Department of Education, which provides access to high quality education research and information. Their website actually contains thousands, if not millions, of peer reviewed journal articles, research reports, conference papers, and other academic resources. These materials are especially valuable kasi they come from credible researchers and educational institutions. Now, when using ERIC for your RRL, you're going to begin by searching for one of the words in your research. Kunyari, let's say dito sa title nila, siguro I'm going to focus on corals. So, corals. Search tayo. Ang papansin nyo, there are 66 titles for the last 20 years, 30 for the last 10 years, and so forth, as indicated dito sa upper left. Pero, kailangan nating i-filter yan. First, kailangan yung i-peer-reviewed only para yung mga credible lang talagang materials. Kasi when your journal is peer-reviewed, it is more credible than something na pinublish lang pero hindi peer-reviewed. Okay? Next, para sure kayong mado-download nyo kung ano man yung file nyo, mas maganda, full text available na. Then, click search. So, ang papansin nyo ngayon, itong mga files nyo, ayan, yung mga links nyo, no? There's already the option to download full text. Now, kunyari, ako ang researcher ng corals. Tapos gusto ko last 10 years lang. Click ko lang itong last 10 years. Mafi-filter siya. Just the 5 researches for the last 10 years about corals. Maganda doon. Pwede mo na i-click yan. Download full text. Isa-isahin mo na. Ang maganda doon, kapag na-download mo na yan, pwede mo nang basahin yung mga yan, tapos tsaka ka mag-decide if you're going to include those in your RRL. It's free, so hindi nyo na kailangan bayad. Okay? And then, after selecting your articles, syempre, download mo na, no? Instead of copying the information, I want you to summarize and synthesize the ideas, key ideas actually, and then compare the similarities of your RRL. Tignan nyo din kung may differences sila. Explain nyo kung bakit related sila dun sa research nyo. Finally, we're going to cite our articles using, sa atin kasi APA tayo. Dati Chicago actually yung ginagamit. But this time, I heard we're going to use APA. So, just be ready with your APA. Okay? All in all, itong ERIC actually would be one of the excellent resources later on kapag tinanong kayo sa sa science fair. Credible siya, evidence-based. Actually, magaganda yung mga research dito. Okay? Next website that we're going to tackle is Taylor and Francis Online. Maraming mga nag-try gumaya ng Taylor and Francis na website, but the legit website is tandfonline.com. Ayan siya. This focuses on peer-reviewed journals and articles. Same lang dun sa instruction kanina. Pili ka muna ng word mo or keyword. So, kunyari, we're going to search for articles. Kunyari naman, iba naman yung title ng research natin ngayon. Kunyari, epidemic. Di ba? Ano lagay mo yan? Epidemic. Nga lang, mabagal ang connection ng laptop ko sa TNF. Unlike yung laptop ko sa school, which is, ewan ko kung bakit. Now, after natin i-search, epidemic, no? Nakikita mo dyan, showing 1 to 10 of, ang dami, di ba? 105,866 results. mag-filter ka dito sa left side. May makikita kang filter dito. Kailangan mo lang dito yung mga may full access ka. Medyo matagal siya. Tapos mamaya click mo yung open access. Ibig sabihin doon, pwede mo nang i-download kung ano man yung makita ng results. Ayan, so you have 17,109. Actually, kapag kaibang titles yan, syempre, mas konti, di ba? Hindi mo sure kung pangalan yan, kung meron yung hinahanap mo. So, ayan. Okay? Open access. Tapos, pili ka, journals. Then, andito, self-explanatory naman yan. Ang maganda dito, may mga filter dito na pwede mong pagpilian. Kunyari, your research is about epidemic, tapos anong related sa kanya? Is it about the microbes? Is it about the vaccines? Yung drug resistance ba ng epidemic? Health action ba ng buong mundo? Yan. May kita ka dito mong filter sa left side. Pwede mong click yung mga yan. Maki-filter yan lalo. So, hindi mo na kailangang i-download yung 17,109 titles. Just pick which is the best filter for your research. Next is, of course, Scopus. So, ang website natin is scopus.com. Ayan. Pag tinignan nyo dito, no, actually, dumiretso ka na, scopus.com/sources. Pili ka na ng subject area mo. Kunyari, saan ako napunta? Let's say that we are going to hold a research on biological sciences. So, kunyari, ganyan. Tapos, saan ba siya nakafocus? Let's say biochemistry instead. Tanggalin natin yan. Biochem. Tapos, anong topic sa biochem? Kunyari, you are going to study about or find journals about genetics. Kunyari, ganoon yung research mo. Apply mo lang yan. Ganyan mo lang. Tapos, pwede ka mag-search kung gusto mo. Okay? And that's how you use Scopus. Kung may kilala kang author dyan, search mo yung author, okay lang din. Meron din. And then, click, of course, open access journals. Ayan. Just journals. Titles in the top 10, 25, 50, 75. Pag sinabi mong fourth quarter, ibig sabihin lahat na yan. Tapos apply mo lang ganun. Okay? Ang maganda dito, may scoring sila ng citations nila. Next is the Web of Science Master Journal. Kunyari, we're going to find journals on ayan. Pili ka ng wala tayong mahanap na research. Di corals ulit. Kunyari, yun yung ano mo, title mo. Ayan, tapos click mo. Ganun siya. Just learn to use your filters. Mag-experiment kayo. Walang mawawala kapag nag-experiment kayo. Ang maganda doon, you'll just learn. And then, again, ganun lang kasimple, no? Search, apply kang filter, download kapag bet mo yung title niya, mukhang significant. Once that you have downloaded it, huwag mong hayaan na dinownload mo lang. Tapos, wala na. Basahin mo siya. Or, if you are going to use ChatGPT, kunyari, ganun, no? ChatGPT. Pwede ka actually pag naka-sign in ka sa ChatGPT, pwede mong i-insert dito, paste mo yung journal, tapos tanongin mo si ChatGPT, anong content ng journal related to your title? Is it significant? Is it relevant to your research? Kunyari, meron ba akong journals dito? Actually, meron ako sa kunyari, ganito. these are several titles no, ng mga research